Lloyd Institute of Engineering and Technology, we learn artificial intelligence, but our learning is not artificial. Everybody is talking about AI. We are already working with it.
At LIET, AI isn't just a subject. It's part of our projects, hackathons, and everyday learning. You don't just study it, you live it.
Our focus is simple: upskill students and make them industry ready. AI tools, data skills, and real-world simulations. When they graduate, they're already ahead of the curve.
Workshops, live sessions, competitions. Here learning feels less like class and more like creation.